Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you need to return an item on Vinted, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Firstly, of course, the very vital and important first step is to ensure that you're eligible for a return for a specific item. Right, so first, confirm return eligibility. Returns on Vinted are only allowed if the item is significantly different from the listing, it is damaged or faulty upon arrival, you received a wrong item. But if you simply changed your mind, the seller must agree for a return. After that, step number 2, report the issue. Open the Vinted app or a website, go to My Orders, under your profile, select the order and tap I have an issue, choose the reason for return and provide clear photos of the item. Choose the reason for return and provide a clear photos for the item. And after that, submit the request. After doing that, you need to wait for Vinted's decision. They will usually review your request within 2 days. If needed, they may ask for additional photos or details as well. After that, you need to prepare and send the parcel. If your return is approved, the next steps will be Vinted will send you a prepaid shipping label or instructions. Pack the item securely using the original packaging if possible. Attach the return label to the parcel. Drop it off at a designated carrier location. And also keep the tracking receipt as proof. And after that, of course, receive your refund. Once the item is received and verified, Vinted will process your refund, and they are usually processed and being refunded within 5 to 10 business days. In terms of other important notes and advices that I can give you, you must report an issue within 2 days of receiving the item. If the seller doesn't respond, Vinted will step in. Always communicate through Vinted's chat for protection. And that's it. By following these steps, you can return your parcel on Vinted. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to not miss our new uploads, and see you next time.